What is a Faraday cage? First invented in the 19th century by Michael Faraday, a Faraday cage is an enclosure used to block electromagnetic fields. It can also be referred to as a Faraday shield, an RF cage, or an EMF cage. A Faraday cage can be mesh or a continuous covering of conductive metal. Faraday cages work through electrostatic induction. An external electric field acts upon the electric charges within the cage's conductive metal, causing them to be distributed. This cancels out the external field's effect on the interior of the cage. Faraday cages are used to protect sensitive electronic equipment from external radio frequency interference, such as MRI machines. They are also used to protect people and equipment against electrical currents, such as lightning strikes or electrostatic discharge. Faraday cages are also used as shielding in electronic cables. If you like this information on Faraday cages, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.